Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to submit assignment in Blackboard Ultra. It's really simple and easy. First of all, find the assignment that you want to submit, click on it, then go down to view assessment, and there is the assignment. If you scroll down, you can click add content. Then I'm going to submit a screenshot. I'm going to click on the attachment button and click on attachment. I'm going to find the screenshot that I'm going to submit, click open, and then simply tap on this save. As you can see, it places in the submission window. Tap on this submit and click on this submit again. And that's pretty much it. Your assignment is submitted. You can view your assignment or the submission as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to submit assignment in Blackboard Ultra. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.